to buy a house? Congratulations! Buying a house is one of the biggest and most exciting purchases you will ever make. However, before you start looking at properties, it is important to understand the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval for a mortgage. In this video, I will help explain what pre-qualification and pre-approval mean and why pre-approval is your better option. Pre-qualification is a process that lenders use to estimate how much of a mortgage you can afford. To get pre-qualified, you will need to provide the lender with some basic information such as your income, debts, and assets. Based on this information, the lender will give you an estimate of how much you can borrow. Pre-qualification is quick and easy and is a process that can be done online or over the phone and does not require a credit check and is not a guarantee that you will be pre-approved for a loan. In fact, pre-qualification is only an estimate and the actual amount you can borrow may be different. Pre-approval is a more in-depth process than pre-qualification. To get pre-approved, you will need to provide the lender with more detailed information such as income, debts, assets, and credit history. The lender will use this information to verify your financial status and determine how much you can borrow. Unlike pre-qualification, pre-approval requires a credit check. The lender will also ask for documentation such as pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements to verify your income and assets. This process can take several days or even weeks, but it provides you with a more accurate estimate of how much you can borrow. Why pre-approval is better than pre-qualification. First, pre-approval gives you a better idea of how much you can borrow. Because it requires the more in-depth information and a credit check, pre-approval provides a more accurate estimate of how much you can afford to spend on the house. Second, pre-approval makes you more attractive as a buyer to the seller. When you are pre-approved, the seller knows that you are serious about buying a house and that you have already taken the steps to secure your financing. This can give you an advantage in a competitive market. Third, pre-approval can save you time and stress. If you wait until you find a house to get pre-approved, you may end up losing the house to someone else who already has been pre-approved. Getting pre-approved before you start house hunting can help you avoid this situation and give you much more peace of mind throughout the home buying process. So if you're thinking about buying a house, consider getting pre-approved before you start your search. For additional information, give me a call at 843-222-7800 and I will get you in touch with a local lender, broker, who can explain all your options. I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells, Grand Strand and eXp Realty.